Imang dasmag, uy, nunso, matawid na, uy. Gusto nga nasa nila, dasmag yan, Jun. Ay, drama parts, nunso, matawid Jun. O sige, you're out. Sige, go. Next round.
I said jerking every step and fucking catch the beat. We can't catch the beat, but I'm feeling my dance. I had one thing left in the
Yes, you're out. Woo. Okay, you're out. Sige. Hello! Hello, go! Woo! Galing. Woo! Ah! Pinsan! Pinsa! Siya? Siya? Siya, ikaw na out. Sige. Galing. Whatever. Oh, na-out na siya. Sige, congratulations. Sige, go! Sus, mga lalaki pa man isa to. Ang lalaki din, Lord. Oh, lipay siya kay isabak siya niya. Sige, duhan na lang. Kani. 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 Go! No, no! Kinsa na? Siya may nakauna. Ikaw may nakadaog. Namuha ba yun sa gabi? Awo, na-blush sa awa. Haglok siya eh. Sige. Igonsa mo. Igampo, di ba igampo? Sige. Kuha isang lingkuranan. Ang sige kayo mo lingkod. Direct. Kami. We will have first a question and answer portion. Okay, please sit down. No, di gentleman mo, palingkuro daw. So makabayot ka laki. Okay, question, what is your name?
Jorsky Inso,
How old are you?
23.
Where do you live?
Basak, Mercado, Lapu-Lapu City.
Are you still virgin? Single, rather?
Well, in relation,
Nagkurog yung babaoy, pag-inuro kung are you still virgin? Are you still single?
in a relationship.
In relationship, what kind of relationship? Male to male relationship or female to male relationship? It's an opposite sex relationship. And another question, is your relationship present here in this congregation? And we're safe. Okay. Now this time, your name is?
Sophie.
Are you still single?
Yes.
Uy, bastos ko yun. And ngano nakaibaman mo nga still virgin ka siya? Ha? Kuy-kuy, dahil mo niya. Namuha ba yan sa pag-ingon? How young are you?
25.
Liberated or not?
No.
Filipino or not?
Living.
Big or not?
Not so.
Oh, not so. Musukol. 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 Okay. Wala kayo yab, no?
No.
Ay, and we're safe. Wait ka na gidi ay. Ay, kasi kompleto ngayong sinulog. Feel na ko mag-date ni sila ato sila Santo Niño, iyang ko gusto ipasinog ni niyang babae. Okay. Now this time, ladies and gentlemen, so much for that. We will witness as the groom retrieves the garter. Pangita ang garter. Sud kas langob, pangita ang garter. Pwede ba? But I would like to inform you that you have to remove the small garter, not the big garter, okay? You can remove the big garter tonight. Okay? Sige. By using your teeth. Okay? Using your, panila pa. Using your teeth. And go! Do the honor. Ala, nagkurog ng bride. Guy, masundan, magkadayo niya. Hello! Huy! Huy! Ang garter! Huy! It's only the garter! Huy! Huy!
Okay, take a
Uy!
look at this.
Uy!
So on point.
No, no, no.
Sharp as a dagger. Wanna give
Hello.
you a fresh look, homie.
Hello.
Chain, drop.
Wag na.
If you ain't
Oh.
step back.
Sige, ihatag kayon. Ihatag ang garter. Kapoy dili. Kapoy din ang mukamang, no? Sige. Palit sa maghatag sa booking, turn over ang booking sa itong soon-to-be bride. Sige. Sige, soon-to-be bride. Oh, ihatag ka na. Sa why pagmugot kay single man ka, virgin man ka, kung dyan mo. Okay. No other meaning in it, okay? I'm just saying that she's still virgin. Okay? And everybody can be virgin, right? Okay. So this time, namurong na saryo. Ipasulog nimo ang garter sa iyang leg by using your teeth, of course. Okay? Pero ipasulog sa daan sa kuan, sa diri, kutob diri nga, nipon na. Sa right leg. Ang unsa may kusog kayo mamatid, ang left or ang right? Right, good na. Diba? Sige. Ay, ingon siya, di ko niya patiran. Mas labantay niya yung patiran. Sige, pasulog sa daan. And people, ang fans niya, all you have to do is to shout higher, okay? Imong buhaton kay kung di mo buhaton, ikay makabayad sa cake. Sige, ready? Set! Dili. Mata, ipagamit. Ganun ka. Sige, ready, set, and go! Higher! Uy, paningkon mo. Di siya nasugto niyo. Di mabot. Higher! Hoy, kapag yung sumabot ito, nag-higher na mo. Sige, paningka mo. Kaya wala nagsugo. Higher! Higher until it reaches the clitoris. Come on! Higher! It's just a joke. It's just a joke. Okay. Thank you. Grabe. Hikapo na tong dunggan. Nanginit ang dunggan. Hikapo ng ilong. Nanginit ang ilong. Now this time, this is the most exciting part of the celebration though. We consider this one as a game, but I will be giving a most challenging segment for this. So 4 of you, please stand up. Now, this is what you call as kissing scenes. Kay natuo ka, nakaikiyas na ka. No, thank you, di ay, bastisa. Nanakoy bonus, ha? Okay. Now, this will be the mechanics. I will be giving you 5 privileges. 3 privileges to kiss any part of the body sa imong wife and imong falohod. Ang kanang duha, exclusive for the face alone. Okay? So, we will do the first 3 katong any parts of body. It's up to you kung asa ka dapit mo kiss. Kung asa siya dapit mo kiss, ato sa ka mo kiss. Okay, uy, excited. Bukod ko na go. Ready? First kiss, go! Ayun. Ayun, tanaw na ako. Anong siya ito ko tanaw niyo? Pero funny, I'm just officiating this game. Wait, there's a atubang na siya. Ayun. It's not fair. Again. No. Nisumpong siya siya, ninanapin siya. Napugos lang siya si Ro. Kasi mabuhat, naman siya. Sige. Second kiss. Sa shoulder. Pinanapag-hintap. Ganit ang pahit. Third kiss. Lalo, nagita ano. Sige. Sige, sigura. Sigurang buko-buko. Okay. Fourth kiss within the face. Consider it as face. Within the face, not face. Fourth kiss. Sa cheek. Sige, slow motion. Para ma-capture sa atong sponsor, ABS-CBN, the Filipino channel. Ready? Fourth kiss. And ladies and gentlemen, the last and ultimate kiss. Para. Again, kita. Sila kita. Go, the last and all. Tunaw, ano mamutunaw na? Hindi ko sa ano. Ah, sus! After ending a kiss, no, siya magpasinog so ni hangtod in ang Pebrero. Siya, mudagkot sa dakong cross. Okay, go! Kiss! Ala. Kamusta man na lips ang agtang. Ako ma-capture sa TFC. Ah, sige. So, ipipas ko no, pero kuan siya ka na. Pila na lang ka. Pila lang ka inches. Or, half inch na lang ang distance before ni proceed sa agtang. Maramag ka na gidaganan karon sa Baguio, no? Paano? Sige, go! Slow motion. Ay! Let's give them a big hand.